Yeah, let's straight now. Oh, it's going to the right. Now it's like going to the left again.
How far can it go?
How far can it go? Or you can only see it for, well, as far as you can see it.
You don't want to go any farther than that.
Okay, bring it back. It's pretty straight right now.
Wait, but what if it's like behind a tree, but you can still see it?
But
我最近写没电
well, then
了
you。can still see it, can't you? Just like that plane. Okay. What's happening?
Out of battery.
What about the, do you have any others?
Yeah, I have 2 more. I didn't measure this one before I took it out.
Okay, try the other one.